We're continuing the theme of work position and using an adjustable lanyard. This time we're working off the ladder onto part of the tower leg itself. So we've got our fall arrest lanyards, our backup system in place because it's work restrained and some and all of our body weight is going to be on the system. Therefore, we always need a backup system, a fall arrest system in place. So we'll take our work position lanyard, we'll wrap it around the structure and we're trying to create a bit of grip on the structure. We might not always have the privilege of having something to stop it sliding down. Get myself into a position that's comfortable and suitable, take my weight off, pull a bit of slack in, adjust the protective sleeving if I can and if I need to, and get myself into a position where I can work. Into a position where I'm not having to lean or strain across, ideally centrally based with the job we're actually going to do. And that way, that weighted load's going into the back pad on the harness, going through my feet and through the work position lanyard, and I'm not bending or twisting too much.